So today we are going to practice finding tags inside of our clothing and recording that. When you look inside of your shirt, you might find a number, but we are looking for the clothing that has letters inside it, like this shirt. Inside this one, I see the letter S. And when I see S, I know that that shirt is a small shirt. S is small, and that means this shirt isn't too big. Or, when I look inside my shirt, I may find this letter. That's right. That's the letter M. And M means that this is a medium. And you don't just have to look in shirts, you can also look in your pants. Medium. This shirt is going to be a little bit bigger than the small shirt. See how the medium's a little bit bigger than the small? Now you may also find this size. That's the letter L. What do you think the L stands for? Did you say large? You're right. And this shirt will be even bigger. Do you see how the size of my shirts grew? Small, medium, large. Small, medium, large. Great job. Now we're going to learn something new. We are going to learn how to make tally marks. Are you ready to make tally marks? Tally marks are used to help us count and keep track of something. So I have some pieces of gum here in my hand. And I can see quickly that I have 4 pieces of gum. But if I had a lot of pieces of gum, I might use tally marks to help me keep track and count them. And this is how I would do that. I'm going to set all the gum down here so you can see it. Now I could put it down and line it up in a row and count it one by one, but imagine if I had even more gum than this. Imagine if I had all the gum that was in the whole store. That would be hard to count and keep track of, and I might lose my place and forget. So tally marks help us keep our place and not forget. So I'm going to take one piece of gum and slide it over here and make one tally mark. A tally mark is just a straight line down. It looks like the number 1, doesn't it? Yep, it's just a straight line down. When I get to the second piece of gum, I'm going to make another tally mark, just like that. Number 3, I'm going to make another tally mark. And you can see I have 1, 2, 3 pieces of gum and 1, 2, 3 tally marks. My 4th piece of gum. And now comes the special one. When you make your 5th line, number 5, you're going to draw it across your tally marks like this. And when you see that 4 lines going straight down, 1, 2, 3, 4, with one across, you will know that you have 5 of something. So there's 5. And the way I like to remember which one goes across is a little rhyme. 1, 2, 3, 4, Number 5 shuts the door. And now I'm ready to make a new pile. Do you remember what to do? There's my first one. Make a straight line down. There's my second one. Straight line down. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 shuts the door. Now I have 5 again. Ready for a new pile. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm all out, so I'm just going to write 4 there. If we were to count these all together, we could even count them by 5s, and that is something we're going to practice a little bit later. But we can count by 5s. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14 pieces of gum total. All right, it is your turn to practice. This is how you're going to practice making tally marks. You're going to get a piece of paper and something to write with. I really like my Posca pens. They're my favorite. And then you're going to write at the top of your paper these letters: S, M, and L. S, M, and L. Just like that. That's in the picture, you can see it. And then you need to draw lines that go in between so you can keep them separated. We are making our columns. Okay? I'll draw a line across that way. So you're going to go in your closet and look for clothing. You're going to go on a clothing hunt and you're going to make tally marks. I pulled some things from Lily's closet and I'm going to show you what I mean. So here I have her Christmas shirt with Santa on it, and I'm going to look for the letter. Do you see the letter on Lily's shirt down here? That's right, it's an M. So I need to make one tally mark in the M column, just like this. 1. Let's do another. Do you see a letter? That's right. It's the S, it's a small. So let's make our tally mark underneath the S for small. Now I've found one shirt that was small and one that was a medium, but I don't have any shirts that are a large yet, do I? Maybe she'll have a large in here. Let's look at this shirt. Do you see this letter down here at the bottom? It has some numbers too. That's right, it's the small. I need to make my tally mark in the small column. Small. Here's another shirt. It's a medium. Very good. It goes under the M. Medium. Oh, here's one more shirt. See if I turn it around here. Do you see what letter that is? It's kind of hard to see. It's gold. It's the letter L. Very good. So let's make that one in the L column, just like this. L. Now, can you tell me which one had the least amount of shirts in it? That's right. The fewest would be the large, because we just had one shirt. Are there any sizes that had the same amount? Small and medium, they both had 2. So you're going to go through your closet and see how many small, medium, and larges you can find.